Pay off your mortgage quicker, either with extra weekly repayments or an investment property. Let's run through the numbers on that today. So on average, a new established loan in Australia is around circa 600,000. I believe it's around 586,000 to be precise. The average lifespan and time to get there is around 25 to 30 year loan, and most people will be somewhere between the ages of 50 to 65. So most people will have worked their whole life to then finally pay off their home, and then they walk themselves into retirement from there. When we run through the numbers a little bit, if we use that average kind of new established loan mark, if you're making an extra repayment of $100 per week on top of your minimum weekly repayments to pay off your loan, on average, you're going to pay off that home loan around 7 years quicker. If we bump that up a little bit and we work our way up to $200 a week, all of a sudden that 30-year loan comes down by 11 years. And then if we go one step further and we pay that up to $300 extra per week, that's going to bring that down by 14 years. So your home loan will be done at about year 16 at that point. So still a big drop, but potentially there's another way we can get there quicker. If we run through the numbers really quickly on a $500,000 investment property at an 80% LVR with an average capital growth rate of 7%, and some of you might be saying out there, well, 7%, that's quite high. Well, the actual numbers over the last 6 decades in property, the average capital growth has been around 7.3%. So let's just stick with a nice round number of 7% for now. At year 10, our property is going to be worth just short of $1 million. So we'll say at about $983,000 to be precise. Now, we've got to pay our agent fees, our conveyancing fees, all our selling costs, capital gains tax, etc. Once we've paid off all of those fees and we pay down our loan, we're left with around $453,000 in profit from that sale, which means we've completely paid off our home at that point, because over that 10-year period, we would have been paying principal and interest on our home loan as well. If we wanted to fast forward that to a 15-year loan, that's going to be, the value of that property will be close to $1.4 million. And after our selling fees and, we've paid our agent fees and our capital gains tax, not only will we have paid off our property at year 15, we'll actually have over $300,000 worth of profit left off for the remainder of the sale. And that's despite including the other potential benefits that would have been happening over that 10-year period. So potentially with rental increases on your property, you may have been getting cash flow positive returns on that property. So potentially you've been using that to pay down your home loan quicker. You've also potentially had tax deductions or depreciation on that property to mitigate your tax. So again, investing in property can not only help you grow your wealth, it can actually help you work towards retirement quicker and pay off your home loan quicker.